Here we are, venturing into the unknown.
Oh, that's way better.
He shortened up his oars. We're on our way. Now he looks like a midget. We're headed to the deer stand. If we don't return and somebody finds this, you need to come this way a little bit.
I'm working on it.
Whoa, we were turning. I told you that was reflection. Do we even have a deer stand? Oh no. This is really fun.
Where's the... It's gone. You know the...
Deer feeder?
Yep.
Holy poo, there's the deer stand.
We're going.
This is so fun. Even in a little $30 raft. Put Papa's trolling motor on it. Oh my word, this has got to be...
20 foot deep?
No, it ain't 20 foot.
18. That was 17.
Oh,
Almost 18 foot off the ground, bitch.
holy poop.